Good morning, we're in Covent Garden and we're going to take a walk through St Paul's Church, which is a famous church designed by Inigo Jones. It's a church for the artists or actors and things. So we're going to walk through this door here, and some of the free things to do in London is just go exploring, get away from the crowds, come out, down some side streets, through some courtyards. You'll see a lot more that way, a lot more interesting as well, and easier on the pocket. Oh, we actually have a gravestone over here, in memory of Mr. John Thomas of King Street, an auctioneer, 1831, aged 33. So we're going to make our way around St Paul's Church, not to be confused with St Paul's Cathedral, designed by Christopher Wren. But lots and lots of old buildings to the side, as you can see. Take a walk around here to the main entrance of the church. No alcohol. Lovely lampposts. That's the main entrance. Here we are. Beautiful church there. That's St Paul's Church. Little garden to the side. Lovely little courtyards. We're going to head out of the courtyard now, and we're going to have a look at Floral Court in Floral Street, which is quite pretty as well. There's a little plaque here. Let's just read what this says. St Paul's Church, Covent Garden, by order of the rector and the church wardens. The light well is part of the burial ground of St Paul's Church. Written consent must be obtained before any use is made of the light well. And as you can see down there, there's some stuff, I'm sure, a bit more interesting a few hundred years ago. But we're going to make our way through this little alley. Out onto one of the streets in Covent Garden. We're going to just go down the street, and to our right in a moment is another lovely little courtyard you can wander off in. We have Polo Ralph Lauren to the left, and Jo Malone behind me, lots of fashionable shops and things, and then to our right here is Clos Maggiore, little restaurant there. My wife and I had dinner in there one year on our anniversary, bought by our daughters. Amazing little restaurant, lovely food, really fine dining in there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful inside, lots of floral decorations and things. We're going to head off down here into Floral Court. There we go. And again, we're going to go away from the main touristy area. Just go down some side streets really. Oh wow, an elephant. Kitchen and cocktails over there. Beautiful elephant. Lovely little courtyard. You can sit, have some drinks and food. Lots of heaters to keep you warm in the winter. It does get quite cold in the winter in London, so make sure you wrap up warm. We're going to head through another little side street to people eating, as I can see. I won't film them. This is Floral Court leading to King Street, which is the street we're on. There we go. Look at that. Lovely little cobbled streets of London. We won't go down there, but we're going to go over to here. This is all lit up. Quite amazing. Down there to our left, another cobbled street. No cars are allowed on these streets, so it's good. You have some little archways that are lit up. Oh, we have a new shop opening in 2023. What's this? I don't know, Uniqlo. Something. I'm going to go through this beautiful archway here. It's all lit up.
The fencing moved.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, it's definitely a white mood you're in.
It's quite amazing. That's bringing us out into one of the main roads. Again, we're going to carry on walking through some side streets without getting run over. And this is Slingsby Place. Lovely decorations up there above us. And this is bringing us out into the yards. A restaurant ahead of us here. Nice little quiet courtyard. Another area down there, but we're going to head over to the left. Lovely bar there, Bill's, and the Disham, the new Disham. What a lovely day today. It started off a bit cloudy, but the sun's come out. Oh, very windy. Forgive the wind noise if you can hear that, sorry. I do have an external microphone on with a wind reducer, but I'm not sure if it's working too well. And again, another side street. Very quiet. So the Oxford streets and the Regent streets are well and good, but they're usually packed, so it's quite nice to just get away and go down some quieter streets. And again, when you do head down these sort of streets, you'll find you won't have as many chain shops, chain restaurants. You'll get more bespoke shops. You'll find more unique items. Nudie Jeans. There we go. There's Hadley Gates. Experimental Perfume Club. So yeah, as I said, lots of macaroons and chocolates. A lot of people queuing up here for something or other. Let's see what it is. The apple butter. Must be very popular. Coming out into a little roundabout here. Which way should we go? I think we're going to head off to the right in a moment. But there's a theatre there, the Cambridge Theatre. And this was unveiled by Her Majesty Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands in 1989. Okay. So we're going to head down another side street. The Crown Pub to our left. Not going to spend hours today going around loads of side streets, but just give you an example of what you can expect when you come to London. If you're here for a few days or just a day, just take some time and have a look around. Now this is interesting for some people. Electric motorbikes. They look very vintage, don't they? But very modern. All electric. Electric motorbikes maving. And that particular one, 45 mile an hour top speed, 80 mile range with 2 batteries, £6,000. But beautiful looking bike. Lots in there. All very vintage looking. Pretty cool. Sorry, I went off on a tangent there. I'm quite a big fan of electric vehicles, so. Lots of, again, little bespoke shops. Neil's Yard Dairy. Seven Dials Market. There. Again, if you only stick to the main streets, you're never going to see any of this. There we go. I won't go inside, it's very dark in there. My camera will have a nightmare trying to expose everything in there. But we're going to head down another side street now. Neil's Yard. We're going to go down. Very colourful down here. Quite beautiful. Some really old buildings. Here we have Neil Yard's Remedies, Natural Health and Therapy Centre. So again, some interesting things to see. Oh, you can walk in and get a back rub. We have some cleaners cleaning some graffiti off the walls. It's Neil's Yard. So we come out into another little street, people having their photos taken there. Let's go this way. You can't really get lost in London, so just go for it. Just go down a lot of side streets, just keep walking. You'll see lots of interesting things. And then when you've had enough, you can just literally get out Google Maps or find a tube station, which there'll be one very close by, I'm sure. And then you're back to the main tourist areas. But it's very, very good to just have a look around. So this is Neil Street, which runs alongside Neil's Yard. Here we have an astrology shop next to the UK's oldest Punjabi restaurant, 1946. And there is the astrology shop. Don't let anybody steal your magic. Okay, lots of crystals, tarot cards, that sort of thing. You won't see any of these sort of shops on the main street, so there we go. Some more bespoke shops. Sexy French waffles and abandoned ship, the School of English above it. So we're going to end that video here. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more tours of London, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for now. Bye.